Hello, and I hope you're doing well. This is a short video. I just got this floating shelves, and it's a set of 2. And they look like this once they're installed. And they're easy to install. They come with these, which these screws go on your wall, while these go in here. Now, I said easy because if you know where your studs are, all you have to do is find the studs and put the screws through, and then put the shelves on there. You have to put them on the studs because if not, then you'll have the risk of these falling out. I wouldn't suggest for them to be on drywall because they're kind of long. You don't want them tilted or falling off. Put them on your studs. And I like that he has holes on both sides. He has 3 on one side and 3 on the other. So you have different holes in case your studs are here, here, or also if they're further apart. So you have that. And here are the instructions. And just like here, he shows you to find the studs, put the screws straight to the studs, and then slide the shelf onto the pin. And just so you know, there are 16 inches between the first hole to the first hole here, 16 inches from here to here, or 16 inches from here to here. So usually there are 16 inches apart. And if they're not, let's say they're further apart, then hopefully you get to match them with another one. You will need to pre-drill a hole of 1/8 or 3 millimeters, and then you'll need a 1/4 wrench or 6.35 millimeters so you can tighten them down. And the wrench is so you can tighten it from here while you just slide this into the shelf. And here's an assembly video. So it gives you perhaps better instructions. I'm just showing you what it looks like, but if you watch this video, it's much better than mine. With the video that they have, you have a better understanding on how to put it on your wall. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.